Doing some vinyl work this morning. I'm doing a license plate for my shuttle bus, and actually I've got enough here to make 4 plates, but this is how it all starts. And also doing a job for a customer, so getting that ready also. So I'll show you what this looks like and the other one when it's complete. Okay, here are the parts that make up one license plate. I'll be glad when I can get my full color digital printing machine and it would just be one piece put on the license plate. But now I have to cut each color and put down each individual one. The square blocks you see are alignment blocks, so when I get the first piece on, I can just line up the blocks and I don't have to do any measuring with the tape measure. So there's some more over there for some more plates. And here's some of the scrap. And I'll come back when I get the finished product.